Hey guys, so this is a brief overview video of Google Trends. It's trends.google.com, and it is an online data search tool that shows users how often certain keywords, phrases, and topics are searched over a period of time. It's free of charge with internet access, and since it's a website platform, no download is necessary. When you look on the main screen, you can enter a search term or topic. It's got examples to choose from. Taylor Swift and Kim Kardashian, the World Cup, football, American football, latest stories and insights. So right now the NBA Finals and Pride 2022 are really popular on Google. Recently trending. These are different searches that are recently trending. Year in search. These are searches that were made based on the year. So let's go up here to recently trending. I'm going to click on Brad Johnson, actor died. When I click on that, it comes up to this screen. And it's got stories that are related to Brad Johnson. If I click on his name again, it has interest over time about Brad Johnson. It's got interest by the subregion. So, District of Columbia, 100 searches. Georgia, 87. North Carolina, 86. Pennsylvania, 86. Illinois is 85. It's got related topics, related queries. You can change, instead of the past 7 days, I can go to past 12 months, and it'll give us a little bit of a different graph. Past 5 years, something different. So I'm going to go back to the home screen now, and I'm going to pick my own topic. So I want to search for Skittles. When I search for Skittles, it shows this graph. This is the interest of Skittles over the past 12 months. So the queries and the topics are just related things to the Skittles, and the queries actually are a lot more specific. As you can see, they've got the word Skittles in them. I can also compare two different topics. So if I wanted to compare Skittles and the interest of M&Ms, you can see that Skittles is more popular than M&Ms. There's a spot right there where M&Ms went above Skittles. But overall, looks like Skittles wins. Let's say you are a business and you are wanting to decide which social media platform for advertising or marketing your business. We can go to edit or remove. We're going to type in Instagram. And Twitter. As you can see, the blue dot is Instagram, the red is Twitter. It's got a key. So Instagram is more popular than Twitter. It's got it by region, subregion, another thing I wanted to show you guys is the subscription. I currently have no subscriptions. So I want to know more about Kim Kardashian. How often? I want to know more about her about once a month. Region. We're going to go to United States. And as you can see right here, it's got my email address. So whenever you go to Google Trends, my picture's up here. So it will automatically connect your email address that you're logged into on your Google account to Google Trends. So you don't have to re-enter your email address. So once a month, I'm going to get some kind of information about Kim Kardashian in my email. Let's say I wanted to do another subscription on home cooked recipes. We're again going to go down to United States. So that's where I'm at. And I'm going to get new recipe ideas about once a week instead of once a month. Subscribe. So now I'm going to get information on recipes once a week in my email. We can go to the year so we can see what was popular in the year 2021. Got athletes, Tiger Woods, Simone Biles, foods, games, movies, Black Widow, Dune, Red Notice, people, Alec Baldwin, TV shows, Bridgerton. And maybe I don't want to do 2021. I can go up here and I can see what was popular in 2001. It's going to pull up consumer brands. In 2001, Nokia, Sony, BMW, movies, Shrek, Tomb Raider, music groups, Backstreet Boys, NSYNC, Linkin Park. I can also change that from global to wherever I would like to change it to. So that is the simplest overview of all of the main points on how you can use Google Trends. It's a very interesting tool and it can be very helpful to individuals or businesses.